Struggling with consistency. We all do. But what if I told you the secret isn't more willpower? Here are 5 surprising tips to stay consistent that you've probably never tried before. First, the 2-day rule. Never miss a habit twice in a row. Had a lazy day? Fine. Just make sure you get back on track tomorrow. Second, identity-based goals. Instead of saying, I want to run 3 times a week, say, I am a runner. This small shift makes your actions align with who you are. Third, temptation bundling. Pair something you need to do, like folding laundry, with something you want to do, like listening to your favorite podcast. Fourth, make it ridiculously easy. Want to floss? Start with just 1 tooth. Seriously. So the goal is to build the habit, not perfection. And fifth, track your effort, not just your results. Celebrate showing up. Which tip will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.